Hello and welcome to my class. In this lecture I want to go over multiplication, specifically 2-digit by 2-digit. So let's say we have 50 times 87. The first thing we want to do is multiply 7 times 0. 7 times 0 is just going to be 0. Now we have to multiply 7 times 5. 7 times 5 is 35. We now have to add a 0 for the placeholder because we're moving on to our next digit, which is 8. So now we do 8 times 0, which is 0. And then we do 8 times 5, which is 40. So now we have to do some simple addition. 0 plus 0 is going to be 0. 5 plus 0 is going to be 5. 3 plus 0 is going to be 3. And then we bring our 4 straight down. 1, 2, 3, that's where the comma goes. So our answer is going to be 4,350. Alrighty, in this example we have 65 times 84. First thing we want to do, you guessed it, multiply 4 times 5. That would simply be 20. I'm going to put the 0 here, carry the 2. Now we have to multiply 4 times 6. That would be 24, and then we have to add 2, so it'll be 26. Putting a 0 here for a placeholder because we're moving on to the next digit, which is 8. So 8 times 5 is going to be 40. I'm going to put the 0 here and carry the 4. Now we have to multiply 8 times 6. That's going to be 48. 48 plus 4 is going to be 52. We have to add 260 plus 5,200. So let's do it. 0 plus 0 is going to be 0. 6 plus 0 is going to be 6. 2 plus 2 is going to be 4. And then we just bring our 5 straight down. So the answer is going to be 1, 2, 3, 5,460. Alrighty, in this example we have 98 times 66. The first thing we want to do is multiply 6 times 8, which is going to be 48. Put the 8 here and carry the 4. Now we have to multiply 6 times 9. 6 times 9 is going to be 54. 54 plus 4 is going to be 58. We have to add a 0 for the placeholder because we're moving on to the next digit, which is 6. So now we do 6 times 8, which is 48. I'm going to put the 8 here and carry the 4. So now we do 6 times 9. 6 times 9 is going to be 54. 54 plus 4 is going to be 58. Now we have to add 588 plus 5,880. So let's do it. 8 plus 0 is going to be 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. I'm going to put the 6 here, carry the 1. 8 plus another 6 is going to be 14. 5 plus 1 is going to be 6. We do 1, 2, 3. Our comma goes there. The answer is 6,468. Alrighty, in this example, we have 24 times 86. Pause, take a break, see if you can figure this one out. Alright, the first thing we want to do is multiply 6 times 4. 6 times 4 is just going to be 24. I'm going to put the 4 down and carry the 2. Now, we have to multiply 6 times 2. 6 times 2 is going to be 12. but then we have to add 2. So then it'll be 14. Now I'm going to put the 0 down because we're moving over to the next digit, which is 8. So now we have to do 8 times 4. 8 times 4 is 32. I'm going to put the 2 here, and I'm going to carry the 3. Now we have to multiply 8 times 2, which is 16. 16 plus 3 is 19. And we're going to add 144 and 1,920. So let's do that. 4 plus 0 is just going to be 4. 4 plus 2 is going to be 6. 9 plus 1 is going to be 10. 1 plus 1 is going to be 2. 1, 2, 3. That's where our comma goes. Our answer is going to be 2,064. Alrighty, in this example we have 32 times 58. First thing we're going to do is multiply the 8 times 2. So that's going to be 16. So I'm going to put the 6 here, carry the 1. Now we multiply 8 times 3, which is 24. But then we have to add 1, so it'll be 25. We put a 0 as the placeholder because we're moving on to the next digit, which is 5. So now we have to do 5 times 2, which is 10. The 0 here, going to carry the 1, a new 1. Alright, so now we have 5 times 3, which is 15, and then we have to add 1, so it'll be 16. Now we do some simple addition. 6 plus 0 is going to be 6. 5 plus 0 is going to be 5. 2 plus 6 is going to be 8. And then we just bring our 1 straight down. 1, 2, 3, comma. Our answer is going to be 1,856. In this example, we have 98 times 74. So the first thing we want to do is multiply 4 times 8. 4 times 8 is going to be 32. I'm going to put the 2 here, and we're going to carry the 3. Now we have to multiply 4 times 9, which is 36, and then plus 3, that would be 39. We have to add a 0 for the placeholder because we're moving on to the next digit, which is 7. So 7 times 8 is going to be 56. I'm going to put the 6 here, and I'm going to carry the 5. Now we have to evaluate 7 times 9. 7 times 9 is going to be 63. 63 plus 5 is going to be 68. So now we have to add 392 plus 6,860. So let's do it. 2 plus 0 is going to be 2. 9 plus 6 is going to be 15. 5 here, carry the 1. 8 plus 3 is going to be 11, and then plus 1 more would be 12. So I'm going to put the 2 here, and I'm going to carry the 1, and so 6 plus 1 is going to be 7. 7,252 is the answer.